Alright, in today's video we're going to edit this image of Tiaza. I did a photo shoot with her for my main channel, which is behind the scenes, and I thought I'll do a speed edit on this image for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions on how I did what I did, let me know and I will reply to you guys in the comments. So this is my new channel for all the editing and retouching. This will be all stuff like this where you just see my screen and I'll explain what I'm doing, or just speed edits. This is to try get all of this content away from my main channel, which is gear, tech and photography related reviews, and then behind the scenes stuff. And then I also made a vlog channel to try get the vlogs away from my main channel. So yeah, I hope you guys subscribe to all of them. There is some free trials to Luminar down below and discounts if you want to buy Luminar or a website, or if you need an Artlist subscription, it's all down there. All the music from this video is from Artlist, so if you want to use it in your video, go get a subscription, use my link. All of the links below support my channel. There's also affiliate links to all the stuff I use, like the Wacom tablet and a camera and lenses and so on. And I do make a kickback from those, so please support the channel. It costs you nothing extra, but it really helps me. And then the main thing is just enjoy the video. I hope you guys have fun, and like, subscribe, click the bell, share it on all of your photography pages and social media, and I will really appreciate it. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Stop by my other channels and then you'll see more about what I do. Cool. See you guys later. Enjoy.
Son, not the world on your shoulders. Protect you from filthy pigs like them four that's from Minnesota. I need you to stay strong, sharp and aware. A grim truth at just the youth to make sure you prepared. This world at times can be severe. It makes no sense as a father raising a son in the country living in fear, but we here. And Pop's gonna lead you and steer. And every day expose your greatness while uplifting your spirits. I'ma teach you how your blackness is gifted from God. And no matter how they see you, you'll see yourself beating odds. You had the confidence to love all the tools that exude light. Intuitive and not a thug or they shrewd stereotypes. My baby boy, I know at your age this a lot to take up, but I must prepare you for America. Yeah, I must prepare you for America. I must prepare you for America. Our biggest problems, no solutions for 'em. America. Our biggest problems, no solutions for 'em. Still lynching, just no nuisance on America. Oh, America.
And it always begun. Black in a cop with a badge and a gun. Live in a world and it always begun. Black in a cop with a badge with a gun. Living my life, trying to be righteous. Living my life, trying to just fight. Just living my life, trying to be righteous. Living my life, trying to just fight. Just hit my co-workers with a MAGA hats relentlessly. See the undertone is they supporting white supremacy. And my co-workers with a MAGA hats relentlessly. See the undertone is they supporting white supremacy. Living my life, trying to just real, keeping it up on what I feel. Seeing people like me just die so light. Off in the time and the go, we just keep rolling and fold. Off in the time and the go, we just keep rolling and fold. And in my precinct ain't nobody decent, and I ain't seen nobody black get high like me recently. And that's the problem in the community, ain't no unity when people don't see nobody policing that look like them. I'm seeing officers with Glocks in, but y'all's a couple shades of white too light for me to trust you, not him. That's how the people think when we police them, and I'm just trying my best to ease the tension. That's when I meet and greet them. That's how the people think when we police them, and I'm just trying my best to ease the tension. That's when I meet and greet them.
No solutions for 'em. Still lynching, just no nuisance on America.
All right, so that is the edit done. You can see the before and after over here, and then I will see you guys soon. I'll make a bunch of these, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Thanks for watching to this point, everybody that's still watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you soon. See ya.